In this video, I will patch the first experiment as per the manual. Here is in the manual inverting amplifier. In inverting amplifier, because all are the analog meters, so the output is amplified and voltmeter is connected in inverted form. That means 6 number output to negative of voltmeter, and here ground is for positive to show the inverting output. Now here how we'll patch the first of all, you set the voltage 1.5 volt for the input. We have set input 0.5 volt. Put the meter in 5 volt, switch on the instrument, and with the help of voltage set it 0.5 volt. That is the input 0.5 volt. Now switch off the instrument and patch the circuit as per the manual. Positive of output voltage goes to R1. R1 is 1 kilo ohm. The other side of 1 kilo ohm goes to 2 number pin of IC 741. The same patch with 2 number pin to 10 kilo ohm resistance. For the feedback, 10 kilo ohm, the other 10 kilo ohm goes to 6 number pin, that is RF. We have connected 10 kilo ohm. Then output 6 number pin goes to negative of the voltmeter, and ground, output ground, supply ground, and the same ground is connected at the output green socket. And this green socket comes to voltmeter positive. Green socket to positive of voltmeter. Make the positive this voltmeter to 20 volt range, that is already we have provided, and positive of supply voltmeter, supply, positive of supply from positive to above voltmeter positive. Here we have set input, and the lower meter will observe the output. 3 number pin is connected to ground. Now our connections is over. We have already set it 0.5 volt, and here we get the increased amplified output in amplified form. Switch on the supply, and here we get 5 volt. When we get, as we changes is 0.5 volt exactly, and here we get the 5 volt after amplification, but in inverting form. Now here is the many experiment in this manual. In the next I will do that summing amplifier, in which 2 supplies is used and both the sum is getting here at the output. Now patch the circuit. First of all, switch on the instrument, set the one supply, .5 volt, and the second supply, change the meter range to 5 volt for better accuracy. Set the both supply at 0.5 volt. Now patch the circuit, remove the leads. Here all the input is set it. Now positive of first supply, positive of the first supply goes to 10 kilo ohm resistance. The other side of 10 kilo ohm resistance goes to 2 number pin of IC741. The same positive supply of other goes to 10 kilo ohm, the other 10 kilo ohm resistance. Then the same other side of 10 kilo ohm goes to 2 number pin. Now from the 2 number pin, take the 10 kilo ohm resistance for the feedback. The other side of 10 kilo ohm goes to 6 number pin. Short the ground of both supplies, with the patch cord, and the same ground goes to 3 number pin. 3 number pin. This same grounded and then connected the same to 3 number pin. 3 number pin of IC741. All the grounds are common. Take the output on the voltmeter from 6 number pin to positive of the voltmeter. That goes to negative because it is in an inverting. And this output goes to positive. And here we get the 1 volt because both the supply is 0.5 and here we 0.5, then summing, here we get the 1 volt when the meter is in 5 volt range. In the same way you can do the experiments as per the manual procedure and verify the application of op amps. Thank you.